It's working towards 80 degrees. It's humid, not much of a breeze. Mickey's here, I'm here. Flying.
Timer start, timer stop, motor on.
Flying Cessna 170.
Timer start.
I hadn't flown it in a long time. Not in a long time. Since Mickey's here, I'm flying up here instead of flipping the runway, so I gotta look into the sun. It ain't a big deal. Because I'm not flipping the runway. I knew he was coming here because we passed. I went down and got the key, and then as I was coming back, I saw him driving down. I tried to wave at him, but I think I'm the only one that knows the cars, the club members.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Because I got here at about 7:40 this morning.
Timer stop, timer start.
Which was later than I wanted, but the wife and the dog were sleeping in this morning, so I didn't want to wake them up getting my stuff out of the bedroom that I needed. Yeah.
Time remaining 6 minutes. Timer stop. Timer start. Landing flaps. Timer stop. Timer start. Flaps up.
There's like no wind, just barely. I can barely feel the breeze on the hairs on my neck. It's hot. You see all the gnats in the camera?
Time remaining 5 minutes.
You should see them in real life. They're atrocious. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, I'll quit talking. Some people don't like me talking. Let's get some landings in. Listening to Dragula on the way into the field this morning.
Landing flaps. Timer stop.
Rob Zombie, Dragula. Touch the tail.
Takeoff flaps. Timer start. Flaps up.
Doesn't get much prettier than that. Little. There we go. I gotta work on my speeds.
Landing flaps. Timer stop.
Wow. That's no power.
Takeoff flaps. Timer start. Flaps up.
And it's floating forever this morning. It just wants to float.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Timer stop. Landing flaps.
Man.
Flaps up. Timer start.
She just doesn't want to float down today. I hate the angle the sun's in. Comes in right in the side of your glasses. I got other glasses. My boating glasses are kind of wrapped around on the side. These aviator glasses aren't. Wham.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Timer stop. Timer start.
Oh, that thing was humming down here. Let's make a landing in this way. Gosh, I'm up high.
Timer stop.
Nope,
Timer start.
not that time. That's weird. I sleep last night. I ate some breakfast. I listened to Dracula. Maybe that's it.
Landing flaps. Timer stop.
Man. Oh, I tried to get it down sooner. I had no motor. I had down elevator.
Timer stop. Timer start.
It just didn't want to go down.
Timer stop. Timer start. Takeoff flaps. Timer stop.
I said, I don't want to go down. I'm not going to take off looking at the plane.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I don't want 8 pounds coming back at me. Oh, man. I know we got a lot of responsibility flying big planes. I read an article in England at a park that
Timer
they
stop.
can fly at. A plane got away and hit a little girl and killed her. It's a 5-pound plane.
Timer start.
I just couldn't believe it. 'Cause I know we fly at parks. Well, I fly at parks still. The rest of the guys don't
Timer
anymore.
stop.
But got a lot of responsibility flying around people.
Timer start.
Got a little bit of a crosswind blowing straight across the runway.
Flaps up.
I couldn't believe that, no. She wasn't even watching it. She was like in a
Time remaining 1 minute.
other part of the park with her mother, and just out of the blue, man, the plane came down and whack.
Timer stop. Landing flaps.
Golly.
Timer start. Flaps up.
Wow. You had her, I'm flying in the middle of a thermal.
30 seconds. Landing flaps. Timer stop.
Alright. The money lag. Trying to split this lane. There you go. First flight of the QK Flex Innovation Cessna
Takeoff flaps.
170. A truly fun plane to fly. Thanks to Rick for the trade. I appreciate it. Enjoy flying it. Mickey's going to get his chaos up. See, I fly with people. Boy, it was terrible. You see the gust I had. Knocked my windsock over. Oh well. Hope you have a great day.